Welcome back, everyone. It is 9:30. We've got a theft case in the East Valley. Gibby is out of the upholstery store in Mesa where a unique chair is MIA. Gibby, what is the deal?
Yeah, here's the deal. You know, Brown Upholstery had been around the valley for about 24 years, and when the economy got kind of slow, they decided they had to drive people to their shop. So what they do, they created two wonderful chairs. Well, actually, they had one, Mon Cherie, at the original location, which is just east of here on Horn. And when they got back to work on Monday morning, she was gone. Now, that's why her sister here, Charlene, is crying, and you can help her solve these tears on her face if you could turn around and have any idea of where her sister went. I'm going to bring in Pete Lopez. Pete, you know, you put these out here. They were your good luck charms. When the economy got down, you decided to put them out, and then people started taking pictures on them. Tell me about it.
Yeah, we put them out in front of our stores, and people like them because they're happy, they're real fresh looking, and they would sit on them and take their pictures, and actually, they come into the store, you know, or call us because they saw the chairs out in front of our stores.
Now, you have filed a police report, but the problem is that no one has come forward, and that's what you need. Because of the way this chair is, as big as it is, somebody has had to see it maybe right in the back of a truck or down the street. What are you hoping?
Yeah, I'm hoping that it was just some kids in the neighborhood, and it is maybe down an alleyway or maybe in some kid's garage now because he thought he'd take it and make a little chair for himself. But just kind of bring it back, you know. Because it's supposed to be at that store. It really is. You know, people like it at that store.
All right, Pete. Well, thank you. And Tara, you know, so hopefully, if someone in Mesa is out and about and they saw Mon Cherie around, you can hopefully bring back that cherished partner that, you know, belongs here to Brown Upholstery. And as you can see behind me, Charlene is still crying. So I hate to see a sad chair.
You know what? You're just good with sad people. You always want to cheer them up. I have to say, though, like you mentioned, that thing's not hard to spot. So I would imagine that someone has seen this thing. Someone knows.
Yeah, you know, the comments I've been getting today, was that the chair at Pee-wee's Playhouse? You know, it's just as happy.
Right, just as happy. Somebody will get a hold of this thing, we hope. Thanks very much, kid.